back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a happy holiday and a happy new year. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my spikes very spiky with this bonder. This bonder is from London Lash. So once you've already placed your spikes, you're going to get a micro swab and you're going to apply a little bit of the bonder on the micro swab. And then what you're going to do is do what I'm doing here is just run that through the spikes and make sure that they are separated, but also all the lashes from that one spike all joined together at the tip. You want to make sure that they look super spiky. That way they really show through when you're doing your fans. That will be the first thing that people see is those spikes, because that is what we want. Sometimes our clients want a little bit spikiness to their set, extra spikiness, and this is how to achieve that. Most of my clients, they don't mind the fluffiness. I really like the fluffiness, but this is another way to just really pull your set together. So yeah. And to specify, that was the London Lash Super Bonder. I will go ahead and leave it linked below. That way you guys can check it out and see if you like it. I also use it at the end of my set whenever I'm done. I apply it at the base of the lashes. So yeah, definitely check out that product. It's really good. I've been using it for like a long time now. It's been years and I have stuck to that product like glue. But yeah, so here we go. We're just starting our set. So we are doing a doll eye on her. I hope you guys did catch that lash map. So yeah, we're gonna do our longest length to be on our base to be 16 millimeter with decurl. And for the spikes, y'all saw the longest length that I put on her was 19 millimeter. So my client did request just one spike in the middle to be extra long. So that is why I put a 19, even though for the base we're only using 16. And as y'all know, I only go up 2 millimeters whenever it comes to the spikes when I'm working with D curl and CC curl. So the spikes, the curl was CC, and the base fans were D curl, right? So that is what I used on her. She did just request that one little spike to just be longer than 18 millimeter and protruding through the lash set. So that's what we did for her. And so sorry it took so long to make this video. Holiday season is just the craziest time of the year and you know it. So it was just intense. But I did end up being able to record this video. I just wasn't able to edit it. I didn't find any time. But hey, here we are. Here's a video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, so just keep watching it. It's a pretty short video just because it got cut off at the end because my head got in the way and I couldn't record the rest of it. I was doing the outer corners and it just cut off because my hair was just in the way and you couldn't really see anything. So sorry for that. But at the end, usually what I just do, obviously I just go and I apply the outer corner lashes, which was, I think it was 14 on this video. So yeah, I was just applying 14 D curl, and then at the end you just kind of go in and apply some classic lashes wherever you missed any lashes to make this hybrid a true hybrid. And I am using my Nessie Studio lash trays. You can go ahead and go purchase some at nessiestudio.com. I swear by them. They leave these sets just looking super dark and just gorgeous and just amazingly. If you really want that like dark lash line, I just recommend these lashes. They're just great for that. And they're just so fluffy. I love how they fan out. But yeah, so I will leave you guys to watch this whole video without me rambling on. So I will catch you guys towards the end. Bye. Alrighty guys, so now we're at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my channel all year round. I hope this year brings big blessings to you and your business. I know y'all are some dedicated lash artists for watching this channel, so thank you guys so much again, and yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.